Once you have decided on the rendering resolution and you're ready to choose the file type, it's highly recommended that you render your animations to a sequence of PNG files. Now, if you're wondering why you would render to a PNG format, when we discussed earlier that the PNG format is great for print or output to the web, here's the reason. When you render an animation using 3ds Max, it renders to a numerical sequence of image files, which means it's a numerically incremented series of PNG files, numbered 001, 0002, etc., through to however many frames you've rendered. Those individual files are generally much easier to manage, much easier to make changes to, much easier to post-process if you need to do any type of editing on the images themselves in a compositing program or a paint program. We'll also introduce the RAM player as well. The RAM player is useful when you need to quickly convert a sequence of PNG files into a deliverable animation. This deliverable animation will usually be in the format of an AVI or QuickTime file. You'll learn how to do this with the RAM player that's built into 3ds Max. We'll also discuss what are called animation codecs. These are the translators that convert your still image into an AVI or QuickTime formatted animation file. This can be a little tricky if you don't know what you're doing. There are many codecs out on the market, and some of them are constantly changing and being updated. Working with codecs is an exercise in matching quality with file size. We'll discuss how this works, and we'll discuss a few more commonly used codecs.